Hey Achiever, guess what? A goal without an action plan and action steps is simply a dream. Are you tired of dreaming? Of course you are. Every March, you forget all about those goals that you set in January. No more. Let's do it this year. So I want you to join me on January 11th, 2024 for a special action planning session. See, setting an action plan is much different from a vision board or just simply setting goals. Does this sound like you? My friend Lori creates a vision board every January, but come March, she doesn't even know what she's supposed to be working on to help reach those goals. They're nothing but dreams, and they stay sitting there on that vision board. Here's my 3-step action plan to help you accomplish at least 90% of your goals this year. I've done the research and I know what it takes to achieve a goal. I've also accomplished my bachelor's, master's, PhD, and a Six Sigma black belt. So trust me, I know what it takes to set and achieve goals. So join me for this special session that is invite only. We will look back, assess today, and look forward to create our action steps. Because we're going to set new habits and we're going to attach those habits to existing habits to make sure that you accomplish them. Interested? Want an invite to this exclusive Zoom session? All you need to do is get your copy of the Wealthy Achiever Planner, Budget Bestie, on my website. Go to LaKeishaSimmons.com, click budget to get your copy today, and I will get you that Zoom link right over, and I will see you on January 11th, 2024. See you there.